Number 2, lot F140, is a 1970 Chevrolet K20 pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8, an automatic transmission, and vintage air conditioning. And it sold for $66,000 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read off the Mecum website. Odometer reads 13,625 miles. And exterior color is green and white, two-tone. And highlights four-wheel drive, 350 cubic inch crate V8 engine, 700 R4 transmission, green and white exterior, original green interior paint, vintage air conditioning, retro sound stereo, shortened bed and frame, Dana 60 rear end, and detailed undercarriage. It also had the custom 20 trim package on it and had a pretty big lift on it, along with some big tires and wheels to go with that lift. Yeah, it definitely was a eye catcher, that's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.